Welcome to Cakes and Lifestyle by Chef Emily. Today I will show you how I assemble my sinfully delicious chocolate velvet naked cake. Let's start, of course, with my delicious decadent dark chocolate cake. Recipe is included in our workshop. I'll be using Chef 809. This is a big round tip. And this is what I'll use for the filling and decorating. Now, if you're asking about the recipe of the fillings that I use and for the decoration, this is also included in our icing fundamentals or icing 101 fundamentals, where we teach you different or 7 kinds of icings, and this icing is included on that workshop. This has the texture and taste of a mousse, but this is richer because I'm using premier brands of chocolates and ingredients for this recipe. Now let's start adding the second layer of our decadent cake. In order to achieve same sizes for your decorative kisses on the side, I usually count and do this technique. When you start to press 1, 2, stop, up, you do it like that, okay? 1, 2, stop, up, 1, 2, stop, up, 1, 2, stop, up, 1, 2, stop, up, 1, 2, stop, up. That's what I do. So it only means that 1, 2, you press, stop, and then you pull up your piping tip. That's how I do it. 1, 2, stop, up. Do not keep on pressing your buttercream or your filling while you're putting it up, because there's a tendency that you will create ununiform sizes. Now let's start on top. This time let's do the same technique as I've said before. You press 1, 2, up, stop, up, 1, 2, stop, up, 1, 2, stop, up, until you finish you started from the side and finish from the inner or inside. Alright, on the second layer, don't forget to count 1, 2, stop, up. 1, 2, stop, up means press 1, 2, stop pressing, and then you pull up. This technique is so easy, you can do it at home, but you will create an elegant, sophisticated looking cake, simply, sinful, and delicious. As you can see, napakadali po niyang gawin, and this would add up drama on your cafe cakes. Once again, for the recipe of this cake, it is included on my tutorials. We have the icing fundamental class with different icings. If you're interested for that, you may PM my assistant Hansel Soul for schedules and inquiry. And for the cakes, it will be included in our icings cakes around the world workshop. Now, of course, to finish it up, let's dust the top with sweetened cocoa powder. There you go. Yummy! Now you have the look and tastes of a very delicious, this is what I call the Sinfully Velvet Chocolate Cake, or Sinfully Velvet Chocolate Naked Cake rather. And of course, this cake won't be possible without my ever trusted, ang sinasabi ko nga, it won't pull you down or it won't get you down, my forever favorite chocolate. It's none other than, of course, my colata or colata dark chocolate. It is what I use for this super delicious chocolate cake that I made today. Colada Compound Dark Chocolate is brought to you by Lefrant Philippines. I hope you enjoy this short but full of learnings tutorial that I teach to you. Simple, but I could assure you, even the beginners can do this. Please do not forget to subscribe at Cakes and Lifestyle by Chef Emily. Bye!